This is a set containing an engine driver and shunters, by Noch in HO gauge. It is a hand-painted set that is presented ready for use. In the box, you will find a selection of 6 figures ready to deploy on your layout. The figures are individually posed with the driver at the control of his locomotive. The shunters are depicted in a variety of maintenance-related poses, ideal for enhancing a busy depot, yard, or station scene. All the figures are presented in appropriate working attire with props. The engine driver and shunters set, by Noch. These HO gauge figures have an average height of 20 mm, and are compatible with 00 gauge dioramas.